Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Dymo Labelwriter 550 and verifying the connection. This ensures the printer will sense the new roll. Once done, lift the top latch and open the label compartment so you can work easily. Remove any empty spool by pulling it straight out. Do not twist. Inspect the new label roll. Make sure labels face up and the liner will feed from the bottom toward the front slot, because correct orientation prevents jams and ensures accurate sensing. Now place the new label roll onto the spindle, seating the inner core on both hubs so it spins freely. Next, feed the liner under the internal guides and push it into the front slot until about 1/2 inch protrudes. This primes the feed sensor. Make sure the roll is centered and the side guides are adjusted snugly, but not tight, because proper centering keeps labels aligned and prevents skewing during print runs. Close the cover gently and latch it securely. Finish by closing the cover and pressing the Feed or Test Print button so the printer can detect label gaps and calibrate itself. This sets the correct print start position. If labels misfeed or the sensor fails to detect gaps, reopen the unit, reseat the roll, and inspect the sensor area for adhesive or debris, because small obstructions cause most faults. For persistent problems, power cycle the printer and verify label type, settings in your driver or Dymo software to match the loaded roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.